Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by unplugging the Apple TV from power and wait 30 seconds. Reconnect the Apple TV and keep the Siri remote nearby. Sign in to the same Apple ID before resetting to avoid activation issues. Confirm a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection with at least 5 Mbps download speed. Locate a USB-C cable and a Mac or PC if you plan to restore. Keep your Apple ID password available to complete setup after the reset. From the home screen, open Settings and navigate to System, then Reset. Choose Reset to Factory, default the device without reinstalling tvOS. Choose Reset and Update to remove data and also reinstall the latest tvOS. Confirm your choice and wait as the device erases settings and apps. The reset process through settings can take about 10 to 15 minutes to finish. Do not unplug power or interrupt the Apple TV while the reset proceeds. If settings reset fails, use the Siri remote or a computer restore method. Hold the back and home buttons on the Siri remote for 10 seconds to force a reboot. If that does not work, connect a USB-C cable to the Apple TV and to a Mac or PC. Open Finder on Mac OS or iTunes on Windows and choose Restore Apple TV to reinstall tvOS. Expect the computer restore to download files and take up to 30 minutes total.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.